Hey everyone, welcome you all to Mayank Codes. In this video, we're going to talk about the basics of Cisco Packet Tracer, where I'm going to connect two computers together with the help of a cable. So here I'm going to open my Cisco Packet Tracer for you guys, and you can see we have a big canva, white colored canva, having X and Y coordinates written on the top. So this is going to be the place where I'm going to make the networks, where I'm going to form the networks using different network devices. Well, what is network devices? Network devices is basically a kind of a device that is used in order to form a network, such as routers, PC, laptop, or cables or switches. Okay. So in this video, we're going to see how to connect two computers together in Cisco Packet Tracer. So let me just take two PC over here. So you can see we have this a lot of things over here. These are the end devices. We have this network devices. We have routers, switches. We have a lot of other things over here. So these things are basically called as the network devices that you are going to use in order to connect or form a network. Okay. So don't bother about this for now. We're going to talk about these things in our further videos. For now, we are going to focus on the PC and the switches. Okay. Sorry, on the cables. Okay. So I'm just going to click on this end devices, and inside this we have this PC. I'm going to click on this and I'm going to click over here. So I have selected one PC over here as PC0. I'm going to click on this PC again and I'm going to select one more PC because we have to connect two PC. So I have to select two PC over here. So you can see in this entire Canva, I have only two PC, and in order to connect this PC with the help of a cable, I'm going to click over here, and over here you can see we have this connections. We have different type of cables. We have a lot of cables over here. You can pause and read the name of each and every cable, or you can do this thing at your side only. Okay, so you can open the Cisco Packet Tracer and then you can explore a bit about network devices. You can try to learn about this by your own if you can. Okay, so for now I don't know which cable I have to use in order to connect two computers together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this first one, that is automatically choose connection type. So I'm going to click on this and then I'm going to click over here on this PC and then over here. So what this automatically choose connection type is going to do, this is going to select the cable automatically which is required to connect this to PC. So as you can see, this wire over here, this is basically the, let me just show you guys, a copper cross wire. Okay, so in order to connect two PC together, we're going to use the copper cross wire. But if you don't know, then you can go with this automatically choose connection type. Okay, so after doing this thing, you have connected two PC together. But wait a minute, you have not connected PC together. You have just placed the cable to two PC so that they can be connected. Okay, but still in order to connect, or I can say in order to get ping. Okay, so ping is basically a kind of a connection that you use. You say connect, so you say ping. Okay, so you have not pinged this PC together. In order to ping this PC, in order to get ping, in order to ping PC0 with PC1, in order to get PC1 with PC0, you have to work with IP address. Okay, so let's just talk about the basics of IP address. We are going to deal with the IP address type C, where you have the first three bits as a network type and the last bit as a host type. So in order to connect two PC together, you have to make sure that your network type is same. Okay, and then only your PC are going to get connected. So over here, I'm going to just change the IP address of this PC 0 as 192.168.1.1. So this first three things over here, that is 192.168.1.1, is going to be my network class or network type, and the last one is going to be my host. Okay, so I have to just press enter now and I have to click on this PC over here. So over here you have to select the desktop, and inside this you have to select the IP configuration in order to provide the IP address to this PC. Okay, so I'm going to click on this, and over here you can see we have this IPv4 address. Just click on this IPv4 address and place the same address as you have given over here. So I'm going to say 192.168.1. So this is going to be my network part, and then I'm going to place .1 again. That is going to be my host. As soon as I press enter, I'm going to get my subnet mask automatically. Now just close this thing from here and you are done. You have registered, you have assigned the IP address to your first PC. Do the same thing with the second one and make sure that the the network type or network class for both the PC are going to be the same. Okay, so it's going to be 192.168.1. And now the host part is going to be different for different PC. So I'm going to say .2. You can take anything else as well. That's your wish. I'm going to take .2. Okay. Now click on this PC as well and just go to the desktop IP address and place the IP address that you have given before. Okay. So 192.168.1.2. So when I press enter over here, you can see I'm getting subnet mask automatically, and now just close this thing as well. Okay, so now you're done. Now you can ping this PC together because we have same network class, or I can say same network type. So when I click over here, when I just click over here, you can see we have this physical config. We have this config is basically configuration. So don't get confused with CONFIG. That's configuration. Click on the desktop, and over desktop, you can see we have this dial up, we have this IP address, we have PC wireless, we have this command prompt. Click on this command prompt, and over here you can see we have a place to type. So just type ping over here, that is ping, and the IP address of the PC that you have to ping with. Okay, so in my case, that is going to be 192.168.1.2. So now if I press enter, I hope the PC are going to connect. So you can see we have this reply from and the IP address of the PC that you have pressed over here. Okay. So I guess this is how you are going to connect two computers together, and you can see we are getting reply. That means our PC are connected, or I can say that PC are pinged together. Okay. So if you have any further problems, you can click over here as well, and you can just open the command prompt and you can type the same thing. But over here, you have to place the IP address of the first PC. Okay. So that is going to be 192.168.1.1. So as soon as I press enter, you can see I'm getting replying from the first PC. Okay, so that's how you are going to connect two PC together in Cisco Packet Tracer CPT. And that's all about this video. But in our next video, we are going to see how you are going to connect two PC together having different network type. So stay tuned with us. Till now, that's all about this video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.